Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to update iOS 26 on iPhone 11. So let's jump right into it. Solution number 1. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap Shutdown. Slide to power off your iPhone. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Solution number 2. Check battery capacity. Go to Setting app on your iPhone. Tap on Battery. Tap Battery Health and Charging. Check your battery capacity here. Solution number 3. Use a stable Wi-Fi network. Swipe down to open the control center. Make sure Wi-Fi is enabled. Connect to a strong and stable Wi-Fi network. Solution number 4. Check for iOS update. Open the Setting app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Select Software Update. If the update is available, tap Download and install. And that's it for today's video. If this video you don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.